This is Joe. Welcome to Woodworker's Dilemma. Got a quick little project. We're making this a family affair. I'm at my daughter's house. She's helping me put this together for my granddaughter. Bored a 1 1/8 inch hole for this 1 1/8 inch dowel. And then I bored all the way through a 1/2 inch hole for the 1/2 inch dowel. Whatever you want to put on here, you can put on here. The wedding, the birthday party, the way to the beach. Bubbles. Every good wood project needs a bubble machine. Carter, look at your mommy. I'm gonna glue this together with some Smuckers because my granddaughter is so sweet. What, honey? What? No, what is that? What's Papa doing? Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy?
I'm not Daddy. I'm Papa.
Papa.
That's perfectly level. How's that look?
Airplane.
Elmo.